Hi, I'm Gareth Spence and welcome to Tech Talk. In today's show, we're talking about Pulse Fibre. This is an altnet that's laser focused on driving full fibre broadband into new housing developments. To help me learn more, I'm joined by Nathan Davis from Pulse Fibre and Stuart Broome from Adtran. Nathan, let's start at the top. Who is Pulse Fibre and what are you bringing to the industry?
Hi, so Pulse Fibre is an FTTP full fibre broadband provider. We own our own infrastructure and we cater specifically, as you mentioned in your intro there, to the new build house market. We've got a range of USPs that cater specifically for the developer. We're very developer focused, but also have an ear to the end user, to the end customer. So we have speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second, which is that symmetrical speed, which is unusual nowadays. And we're very much catering for the future technologies that's required for consumption going forward. And we also offer construction mode, because we innovate at the speed of thought. In discussions with our developer partners, we realized that there was a gap in the market for them where they needed connectivity for their developments whilst they were building, so they could connect things like EV chargers and all of the Internet of Things devices. So we decided to come up with construction mode, which is effectively turning on the connectivity as early as second fix for the developer, which is a huge game-changing product for them.
I can imagine for anyone moving into a new housing development, having internet, telephone services ready to go as soon as you move in, it must be a game changer. What are you hearing from your customers?
So we knew when we entered the market that day one connectivity had to be at the forefront of what we delivered, because households now are absolutely becoming more connected. People are working from home more and more. So connectivity is now as important as the water connection and the electricity connection. So we knew we had to bring day one connectivity.
Which areas of the country are you primarily focused on?
Well, originally we started in the south of the country, in London, southeast and southwest. But I'm really pleased to report that we're growing at such a rate now that we're actually present all over the country. So we're actually nationwide now.
Stuart, how is Adtran's technology helping Pulse Fibre?
I think Pulse brings us a lot of focus in terms of how they want to achieve their customers and provide that benefit. And what we're trying to do is our solutions are really tied to their needs and really want to match their customer requirements to our product portfolio, and that flexibility we bring helps them achieve that.
Is the scalability of Adtran's OLT a key differentiator?
We believe so, and I think that the relationship we have proves that, in that scalability allows the network to grow and to really be probably focused and meet the immediate requirements and future requirements without being overbuilt in terms of the network.
And what about sustainability? How does Adtran's technology help Pulse Fibre grow while minimizing its environmental impact?
So our starting point as a company is to ensure that our products are the most efficient in terms of the power savings, in terms of the space that they utilize. So that's our starting point. But because we've got this scalable architecture, we can really target the products to meet the exact needs here and now and also in the future. So we try and minimize by avoiding overbuilding, but by also having products which are most efficient in the industry.
Nathan, is that a key topic for you as well, sustainability?
Huge. We've seen a lot of money come into the industry. There's private investment, there's institutional investment, and the biggest investment is the government. But that capital's dwindling, so we need to be a lot cleverer, a lot smarter with resources. So we only use the smallest ducts, and we lay one fibre to each development. And it's the same analogy as using how many water pipes do you lay to a property, how many electricity pipes do you lay to a property. So with our infrastructure, we're an open network, so all ISPs can use our infrastructure without laying multiple fibres. And again, going back to the overbuild point there, which we're absolutely trying to avoid.
Gentlemen, thanks for joining me today.